I'm not sure about my sign and walk out baby. You go swap on the home commodity back to back. Now, and come on, ye no. Many are much at the penny for next year. Some kind grace gifts. Obana would dear be drew next level no. Honorable Sian can I be doing a 3 1 second. Kona said dear doctor, I'll bonny make up kakra. A shiny rig papa be. Na wa shana tadi papa be to say, hey, is ever be doing a next level. And penny for a free grace gift a herbal. And I'm no more to shame come Kwame Ahene Dr. Gabriel Asamoah Atanase. Penny for the Mama Kwaba. Mpombo kodi.
Nyankopon
Eda mwasini ejuma pa mobo. Na mama pomode hu nsem ahia mo na mafa ato mo so na mutu yefo. Infra free Dr. Gabriel ho.
All right.
Doc, aso yebo kodi.
Nyankopon Adom na wonso e.
Nyankopon gusu shiraye pa. Ene ede na mudi jaye yesi afufuru mu.
Yes. Ni edija mu nyina ne se obi ahwe ne ho so yi.
Necessary here.
Yes, because afufuru ne ayede yewremu no. Se afi etwa mu no yehia akwanhia bebre, especially in terms of the ill health condition and then afi we yewremu no e better say bisa ye say dey ade na yenya e be escape this kind of ill health conditions because bebre na wu ayade kitwe bi na hihye omo hunti omo de wi this year sa ayade no eguso ho empe ba bi mfae enti wodi hu agora wonso benya. That's one thing. And abiem, you wouldn't say Christmas, yeah, for an Nigeria. Instead, say, was you consider and say a dank was you contemplate about God and righteousness and more so restoration. Yeah, the Nigeria. And the origin and the trust or said when you had even when you any system.
Your normal so trust.
Your normal so trust or any near be and cancer ecosystem one. But one trust him beside was a near man, no, you're benefit me. In the next year now.
And Nijanani here no.
And Nijanani here. That is where a grace gift Bible trust and near perceive a boa system na kakra. Because you say area doso. Sister, me person make leaves be one sem organa.
Ahaban.
Baako e popo leaves.
Bofra han ya.
Na han. E na baako so ye scent leaf. I friend nunumu otwim.
Nunum ya yam de say.
That is it. Science me friend osimum gratissimum. Did you know?
Ti no ni nunum no.
Any nunum no.
Yes see ye feature ya. So baby a prugu.
Yes,
oh, yeah, the Saudi
so okay nunum na. I was scent. Nice aroma. Aroma na two. Baako lemon scent. And a baako so minty scent.
And a kabum.
Mint be out to say hacks.
Yes, I know she.
If you shoot some minty leaves into the atmosphere na inflammatory conducive for our breath. But a koyemua, a start cleansing lungs no. It affects the infections within the lungs.
Bachamba. Nurse, apart from saying no numu son, you will be full Friday. You
will be full Friday, sister. Say akola choku, anampo openi. Na how many to me due to say be a fan say phlegmy substances and as inflammatory condition be NSC. It who many to me from the lungs are. So what are no noms are they likely say be clean off.
Nurse no nums ya nom.
I'm telling you the fact.
Oh, me the man see this.
Yes, because a kun both internal and external. Very good.
If home doctors never hear this.
Sister, my person may go to certain evidence be from one writer or being power your bar. Your friend Charlotte Piho. Asemo kafa pawpaw leaves on. Was see pawpaw leaves, multi-purpose fruit that bounce in nature's goodness is widely considered an exemplar of life. Ye padi e buang kwa pawpaw leaves eka. Was speaking of which, not just this soft, musky fruit has tremendous health benefit. Its leaves too are known for their highly potent medicinal properties.
Yes, sir. Na haban
so. And what I say, just as the yellowish orange fleshy fruit is rich in vitamins, the green pawpaw leaf is a repository of vitamin A, C, E, K, and B.
Nurse bofra han anya de awo no nkwampo na yedu. De aye green.
De green nkasa no e no kire say equa vitamin A.
Vitamins we nyina wo.
Very good. Ye nyina nim say lack of vitamin A no affect your vision. Bebre na say glass organa. But they don't know say vitamin A in abundance no.
E wo bofra haban mu.
And also vitamin C na ye here to boost immune system no. Pawpaw nkasa kura. Vitamin B, vitamin E nkasa for the skin. And also pawpaw no kura. Vitamin K for the clotting of the blood, because vitamin K will system numnata dikawa. and the prevent say moja ne nyu mfiru na nwu. Vitamin K no was a pawpaw no kura in abundance. And vitamin B. Tio, was along with minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, sodium, besides enzymes such as papain, chemopapain, and alkaline compound like capain. Sa na your boy, obi be bisa dia de na ye. Papain, chemopapain, and then capain. They are proteolytic enzymes, which means that they are enzymes formulated from proteins. And the kura, juma edino, sa enzymes here juma in the digestive system. Obi and the digestive system near weak, no, and likely so so didia, and they are not nyam. Every your friend say indigestion be ano, a creatine acid, and that is the generation of multiple your friend say ulcers organa.
Na se metieni ya, so be a bad grace gifter. Mo de sa for fra han nyina bi ye nro fi.
Ye de ye nro, and the biom say necessary say us ye prescribe man no ye ni juice no mo so aye kire.
Na mo ben fa wa wo pe nko bubu.
Debi.
And ye wo hu ne ti hu ne.
Yes.
This was bad grace gift.
Bad grace gift. Me actually say bia see. That's one thing.
Wow.
Sister, share me some another evidence bi. Ewo nunumu. Ti asembia okan. Nunumu. We have evidence from African Food Network.
Yes.
African Food Network. Or see, it reduces nicotine.
Nicotine.
They are nicotine. Nicotine is harmful chemical. It was smoke, cigarette, weed. As a woman, and a man we are addicted to that thing. Now to me, and also weed and a cigarette. You know, smoke and extra toxins be and affect your lungs and our liver. It is nicotine. A woman will be addicted. I want me to lungs and say, "I want me." And what I say, Nunu has the potency of reducing nicotine. The amount we are addicted to the smoking, you know, or say reduce, you know, it is a reduce the need for smoking. Tia, or say scent leaves help eliminate and repair the damage caused by smoking. Damage are caused by smoking, you know. Scent leaf no extra potencies are it may eliminate and repair our damages, no.
Na say obia no mama bro so ma wanya damage when the lungs ni
no
ba ho.
Yes.
Which me the say nunum yi.
Yes,
no ma anhwe ko bedu because on enye na kono so benum bi.
And also smokers must consume scent leaves. Other scent leaf benefits can also reduce stress.
There be nya botre mame. Wo kire mo ha na se be se mame nko nom na memie benom scent leaf. Obi this year to muntentan.
Yes.
Opese wo jai.
Yes.
So what the sa ne this year ne ba mo ho a.
Very good.
Mo nam nunum ya so.
E de yes adwuma.
Be ye nro ama wo betime jai cigarette no be jai sa nwusi adwuma ni na.
The entire me go to side evidence we from this known writer and say me mpese grace give back kasa because ya kasa but it was facilitators bi bam no mo so e den e di adanse e de kasa niam e ka no e no kre enti na ma me go to know ti assembly oka amazing a yet esai or say other scent leaf benefit can also reduce stress, prevent diabetes and kidney stone disease.
Yes, I would oba ho na mama na no bi kura na sa kidney stone no ma nyina enru sa level no akoye ho surgery.
Asama enkofo yikani.
Kwa me ahen ya nhwe he na ehwemu ebehu mu ne numbers.
Yo ye wo achimota ye bia ye mienu na wo Ghana ha. Ye wo enkran ha achimota New Petroleum.
Yes.
Ye ne ye family life school na di nhwe ni mu. Enye yira kwan kra amanfo sign frɛ ho ni boy.
Ni boy okay.
Ena Kumasi so ye wo hwim school junction Barakese kwan. Ho ne ye branches ni ye two pair. Numbers no doctor de betudwa na memfa kakra bi nka on say ye da ubo aye bo nyina ye twe amanfo adwen asibi so say it wasn't coincidental. Enye bibi kwa na ye nananom obu afa ni mfikyira na odua bonto ye ne efre no tobacco no.
Yes.
Obi a wasa dua no num. So do you know what they were doing? Yes. At a point say bonto no easy emomo ye hyper. It is just like you consuming raw tobacco. Enti wo ye no wi a na afi wo di num no enso cleanse the system of the toxins free tobacco no ba. Bisa na ma no mu ye nyina no na di so aso papa. Ma doctor amfa ene doctor kan nyina man the number no atwe.
Yes, your number no ye obia miinu Kumasi Ohwim school junction. And then oba Accra here ye won New Achimota Petroleum. Bangalore. That is where we are. Opposite Family Life International School. Your numbers no is 0543 32 00 30 0543 32 00 30 and 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 and I'll just screen that since what
numbers na ne gu ho no me da se pa me da se abusuan panifo no twetwe nkomai omofre ye Grace Gift kwa me ahene ba bi na afi Dr. Gabriel Asamwa so ewo ehonom me da munyina amase se ombeka me na afi mo so mo je bre na mutimi ehwe me na abusuan me da me ho abatew me ba anko twetwe no aka ba ko wo akiri ansa na benze mu atwa so me ba sisia